we are preparing an injection for a Thanksgiving turkey. And we're going to smoke this turkey. Now this injection for the turkey, we put a stick and a half of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning. And we bring it to a simmer and try to get all of this goodness dissolved. Now the first thing I'm going to do is remove the little pop-up thermometer that came in the turkey. I don't trust them. Now we'll load our injector and start injecting the turkey. And I will inject it all over in the breast, the thighs, the legs, the wings, all over, getting as much of this buttery injection into this turkey. Oh, and I don't want to forget these wings. Now I believe that's got it. I'm going to drizzle the rest of this all over the turkey and rub it in. Now we'll take the wings and tuck them up under the bird. And now we're going to dust it with a little bit of Creole seasoning. Oh, this is good stuff. And use whatever seasonings you want on your turkey. And again, this is just a light dusting. It's not heavy. Just dusting this turkey with this Creole seasoning. And then we'll come back with a little SPG. And for the final, we're going to be adding Atkins chicken and pork rub. And now my wife assists me in seasoning the bird, getting this rub all over it. Well, I think that'll work. Now we'll be using the Meatstick to monitor the internal temperature, and it's already been programmed. And I add a drip pan right under the turkey, above the water, and add a little water to this drip pan. Broke out the Meatstick bridge, just in case I had to go to the store, that way I could monitor this turkey from there. And I have that smoke rolling out of there pretty good. It's light, but it's rolling good. It gets heavier at times, of course. Oh, it just smells good. I'm using pecan and apple. Now look at that bird. That looks good. Hey, I'm going to take this out and turn it around, I believe, so we can make sure that both sides kind of even up. I believe it's a little hotter on the back side there, so we have to turn it around. I want to kind of get it as even as I can. This looks really good. Hey, it says it's ready to come off of there. This took about 4 hours and 2 minutes, I believe. But we went ahead and took it on to 170 degrees for the breast and made sure the thighs were at least 180. After reaching the final temperatures we wanted, we brought it into the house Oh, look at that. That looks fantastic. Yeah, this looks great. Tell you what, I can't wait to dig into it. Well, I think it's time to remove the meat stick. After letting the bird rest, we decide to slice into the breast, and the juice just flowed out. It was juicy. Now we'll take about 3 or 4 slices of this bird. I tell you what, this smells fantastic. Now I'm cutting off the rest of the breast. I got it next to the bone and come down, and we're going to take the rest of this breast off. Now we get this off of there. We'll lay it down there and we'll cut it crossways. Oh, this looks good. Now look at this plate. Cranberry sauce, dressing, turkey, and gravy. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.